Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about what ATMs you can use with Novo. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before I get into the nitty-gritty, I want to take a moment to talk about what Novo is. Novo is a fintech company that offers a free checking account and debit card. One of the great things about Novo is that it has no overdraft fees or minimum balance requirements. This makes it a great option for people who are looking for a low-cost banking option. Now, let's get back to the question at hand. What ATMs can you use with Novo? The answer is that you can use any ATM that displays the Visa or MasterCard logo. This includes ATMs at banks, grocery stores, gas stations, and convenience stores. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for using ATMs with Novo. Be sure to check the ATM's fees before you use it. Some ATMs charge fees for using their services. If you're traveling outside of the United States, you can use ATMs that display the Cirrus or Maestro logo. You can also use your Novo debit card to make purchases online or over the phone. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other questions about using ATMs with Novo, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.